What's going on, guys? HM Crypto, and I'm here to add value to you. So today we're going to go over how to set up our Crypto.com account. So if you're new to crypto, this is the perfect video for you. By the way, if you're new to the page, make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification so I can keep bringing you crypto tutorials. That's my job anyways. So also, I am not a financial advisor. Any investment decision should be made off your own research and due diligence. So let's hop right into this. Okay, guys, so first what we want to do is go into our Crypto.com app. For those of you who don't know, Crypto.com is one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges, so you can get on the Play Store. So let's go into our app right now. Crypto.com, create account. And then first we're going to put in our email. So whatever your email is, let's go and put that in right now. All right, then we're going to verify our account. All right. Then we're going to click the email link for the confirmation. All right. Let's do that. There you go. Then we're going to log in our account right here through the link in our Gmail. Then we're going to click on Launch App. All right. All right. So we got our email address verified. And now next step is we're going to proceed with our phone number. All right. We got that. Now we're going to put in our SMS. Our SMS is basically a text for our cell phone. All right, let's fill that in. All right, we got it verified. All right, after that, we're gonna get a message that says thanks for joining us. You can read further below, and then we're just going to continue with this. Next will be our account opening and government regulations. This is just basically our government information. So a full name, first and last name, ID, and then a selfie. So. All right, full name. There we go. Yes, you want to give this permission. Be sure to scan the proper document, driver's license or ID, whichever one you prefer. So you're going to take the picture of your front and the back of your ID. So, get a nice fitting picture. If you don't do it properly, you'll have to do it over. Get a nice clean pic of your face. Make sure you fit in the rectangle. Say, look at that. Watch out. Watch out. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah. We're going to get a text or a message that we're verified in 2 to 3 business days. Sometimes it comes out faster, of course, but that's just the standard message that they sent. All right, after that 2 to 3 day verification process, we should be verified and we should see a message like this. That means we could get inside and make our passcode. Once we do that, we confirm it again, and then we'll be confirmed. Yeah, look at that. We're almost there, guys. And then enter your passcode. I'm not going to show you guys this. You already know what time it is. Okay, now we're going to select our payment currency. So for me, since I'm in the US, I'll select USD. And then if you're in another part of the area, just select your country's currency. There we go. Then we're confirmed with that. Now, just updated terms and conditions. Read this, but of course nobody reads it, but you should read it. And then there you go. Our Crypto.com app is set up. So if you got value out of this video, crypto family, we set up our Crypto.com app, and now we can buy and sell crypto whenever we want. So you got value out this video, be sure to like and subscribe, comment below, and tell me what you think of this video, and also hit the post notification so every time I drop a video, you'll be the first one to know. And also check out the links below too, Crypto.com, which is a new one, by the way. You get $25 USD when you stake Crow on their platform. Also, Coinbase, deposit $100 and get $10 worth of Bitcoin. Come on, money on your money is free money, basically. And also, I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to continue to build your foundation, and I'll see you at the top, baby.